Okay, welcome to the September 2021 Raptor update. This month, our focus has been on some user interface improvements and something we call edit mode. This video will introduce you to these new features. This is the Raptor screen that you know. We're going to upload a document. Okay, let's just process this file. Okay, so our focus this month is on usability improvements, especially when it comes to editing the results. So, our first goal with Raptor is to get as high quality result as possible so that we get a lot of courses that are automatically being recognized. But we know that sometimes you will get transcripts where, for one reason or another, it's an unusual transcript and there's not very many courses that are recognized. So you're left with manual cleanup. And so what we've done this month is created something called edit mode. You'll see a new option above the grid called switch to edit mode. When you go into edit mode, you're going to see the transcript displayed in a text-only format. So you can zoom in and out using these magnifiers. You can drag using your mouse, just grab and drag the file around. You can also scroll inside the transcript box as well. So this is one of the items. This is one of the items on our list for this month: improved zooming. So what this refers to is the ability to zoom in and out and hold the zoom as you move around. So we hope that you find that to be useful. As you scroll around with the transcript area, then you're in what we call edit mode. And so at the top of the screen here, you're going to see two options: rapid copy and rapid fill. These are the items that we're talking about here. So let's explain what rapid copy is. Remember that what you're looking at here is a text-only rendered version of the transcript. And every segment of text on this screen then is available for rapid copy. What do we mean by rapid copy? Just take your mouse and click on a block, and you can see in the upper right, it's telling you what it automatically copied onto your clipboard. As you can see, as I mouse over and click, it's copying the phrases. You see that? So the point of that is that you can copy and then suddenly paste into the grid. I'm only clicking, right? Click to copy, click to paste, click to copy, click to paste, click to copy, click to paste. And so you can do the same thing with any fields on here. Like here's the click to copy the word English, paste English. Click to copy French, paste French. Okay, so that's the rapid copy. You can do that with any element on the transcript. You can do it with grades, right? So click to copy the B, paste the B, copy B, paste B. So that's the rapid copy. Now, the rapid fill, I'll show you in a minute. The other thing I want to show you is horizontal layout. So that's the other item that we're focusing on this month. So the horizontal layout is something that users have asked for. So again, you have the same zoom in and out, as you can see, to get the text the size that you want. And then the same thing, you can drag the transcript or you can scroll it around inside this box. Now, so the same thing works here, right? You can also scroll in the grid at the bottom. If you have enough, once you have enough rows here, you'll see that this becomes a scrollable grid as well. You can also expand these columns, right? So you get more width here since it's horizontal. But let's look at the rapid. So rapid copy will work the same way in horizontal mode. So let's say I wanted to go to, copy natural science, paste natural science, copy history, paste history. Okay. Now let's look at the other new feature that we've added is a trash can icon here. So this is going to completely purge your grid. Obviously, you want to be very careful with this because it all rows in the grid will be deleted and it cannot be undone. So we're just going to say yes. I'm going to get a clean start in my grid here. Okay. Now let's show you the rapid fill mode. Is very similar to rapid copy, but you don't have to paste. It's just automatically going to paste, paste, paste. So let's look at how this works. Let's go ahead and wherever you position your cursor, click into one of the cells, that's where the rapid fill is going to work. So I'm in rapid fill mode, and you'll see how this goes. I'm just going to click, 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 click. And you can see it's called rapid fill because as I click down the page, it's just rapidly paste, 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 paste. You can do the same here with the subjects, right? I just click into the cell where I want to start the rapid fill, and then just click, 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 right? And it's just rapidly going down the column. I can do the same thing with grades. Just position my cell where I want to start. B, B, D, D, C, pass, B, A, D. Now, the other thing that you'll notice about when you're editing here as well is that we've tried to make it as easy as possible. Title field, we've had some issues with the title field not being able to tab out of it. So you'll notice now that in edit mode, you simply tab through the title to get out of it. So let's do French literature, and just tab and you'll go to the next field. So with edit mode, that's why we call this edit mode. We're really trying to introduce a number of just user interface improvements to save you time when you're literally editing the transcript. So you can go back and forth between the modes. You can, if I unclick horizontal layout, then I go back to the familiar vertical layout. Notice that every time I do that, I still keep the contents of my grid. And when I want to go back to my regular Raptor, I just use this X here, and it's going to keep the contents of my grid are going to stay the same as I go back to, so now I might want to go to the second page. Now I'm on the second page. One thing to keep in mind is I must at least process the file before I can go into edit mode. So I process the file, then I can go into edit mode, and you see it's going to keep what I had there before. I might want to just allow for some new blank rows, and now I want to go into rapid fill mode and just start maybe pumping in the titles: cost accounting, general accounting, in-depth, intro to, so that's in rapid fill mode. If I switch to rapid copy mode, you can see accounting, business law, and I can just go down. Oops, that one I'm gonna move up. So you'll get the hang of this. Again, I could switch to horizontal layout and keep going. So really eager for you to give this a try and give us your feedback. Again, when I'm done with the edit mode, I just close out and I'm back into my normal interface, and you push to PeopleSoft or push to banner as you normally would. So again, that's switch to edit mode. And thank you. Really hope you value these new features, and we really want you to give us your feedback on the new September update.